My name is Raj, and I'll be one of your teachers for Lingua Seekers Spanish. So, Jeff taught the numbers in Spanish from 1 to 50, or uno a 50. So, we'll continue with the numbers from 51 to 100, or 51 a 100. Before we start, let's review the numbers from 1 to 9, since these are the core numbers we'll be using throughout the list. Remember, 1 is uno, 2 is dos, 3 is tres, 4 is cuatro, 5 is cinco, 6 is seis, 7 is siete, 8 is ocho, 9 is nueve. These numbers are really important because we'll be using them as the ending for almost all of the numbers in this list. So with that concept in mind, let's start with our new numbers. 51 is 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, and finally 59 is 59. So if you notice, that pattern from 51 all the way to 59 has that same stem of 50 with one of the numbers from 1 to 9, which just goes back to show that understanding the numbers from 1 to 9 will make this concept of the rest of the numbers extremely easy. So 60, as we just saw, was 60. 61 is 61. 62 is 62. 63 is 63. 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, and now we'll start with 70. So 70 itself is 70, and we'll use that same pattern with the numbers from 1 to 9 to complete this series of the numbers in the 70s. 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77 is 77, 78, 78, and finally 79 is 79. 80 itself is 80, and we'll use that same pattern with 81 being 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 being 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88 88, 89 89. And now for our final set of numbers in the 90s, we have 90 starting off as 90. The next number, 91, is 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95, 96 96, 97 97, 98 is 98, 99 is 99, and finally 100 is 100, and that kind of changes the pattern because there is no specific root with a number from 1 to 9. So we just need to know that 100 is 100. But understanding that pattern, like I said, with the root and then the numbers from 1 to 9 will make it a lot easier for us to memorize the numbers from 51 to 100. Now, like I said, understanding those numbers in terms of the tens place is extremely important. So we'll review this one more time before we leave. 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, and finally 100 is 100.